I made a smaller cooler today. See the fan, thermostat, thermometer, battery, 5-volt battery, 5-volt fan. You will need to verify all data with a competent doctor, a pharmacist, a manufacturer, and the prescription serial number. My number 5 invention is only designed for the summer when it's 80 to 100 degrees outside. Designed to keep small items at room temperature. Do not confuse with a refrigerator. See it turn on. See the fan turn on. Cool air come on. Turn it back on. Turn it up, back up the temperature. 72. Study by Gene. I made a new cooler. It's much smaller than the other one. There's the 5-volt battery, 5-volt fan, thermostat, thermometer. Turn it down so you can see it work. See fan turn on. Turn it back up to where it's supposed to be. See the fan turn on. Study by Gene Bowdish. Okay, 58 degrees outside. Is that room temperature? No. 57. Is that room temperature? No. 54. Is that room temperature? No. 56 degrees. Is that room temperature? No. 55. Is that room temperature? No. How is that possible? Where is it 70 degrees at? 7 degrees of room temperature, where's that at? I'll show you. Inside the coat. There's the sensor. There's a sensor right there. There's a thermostat. Study by Gene Bowdish. Hello. How do I do this now?